In this video, we are going to look at electrochemistry tutorial question number 1. This is Unit Science undergrad for those in first year. So we have a Daniell cell represented by this cell notation. So this is what we call the cell notation. It says identify the anode and identify also the cathode. Write the half cell reactions, write the overall cell reaction, explain the role of the salt bridge. It's a very simple question, but let us dig or dive into it. So let me just bring it here so that we can answer it properly. So this is a problem that we have here. Now, how do you know which one is anode, which one is cathode? The cell notation has got a standard notation, which is anode, okay, single line, then anode solution, okay, then salt bridge, then we start with cathode dissolution, okay, then bar, then cathode. This is how the cell notation is. That's a standard. So whichever is here is anode, whichever is there is cathode. And we know that at cathode, so at anode we have what? Oxidation, and at at cathode we have reduction. This should be at the fingertips, right? So when we look at A, identify the anode. So our anode, okay, our anode is just the zinc electrode. Just the zinc electrode. Okay, which is just the zinc solid. Okay, then the cathode is just the copper. Okay, the copper electrode. The copper electrode, which is just the solid copper, right? Like that. That's all. You're done there. And B says we write half cell reactions, meaning at the anode we write a half cell reaction. And then remember what we said about the anode. The anode, there is oxidation. Now in terms of electrons, oxidation is the loss of electrons. And because it is a loss of electrons, electrons should go on the right side of that particular equation. So let us write the anode. Okay, so the anode, we said there is what? There is zinc there. So electrons will be right side. So right side. Okay. Plus 2 electrons. Why am I putting 2 electrons? Because there's a positive 2 charge here. Because the charge here must give you 0. Then the cathode. Of course, at the cathode, it's very easy because the cathode, there's a reduction. Reduction is a gain of electrons. So electrons should be on the left side. So we are putting copper to solution there. Because there's a positive 2, we add 2 electrons, meaning they are being gained, to give us a copper solid. You've written the half cell reactions. That's all. Then how do we write the overall the overall cell reaction? So we start with the anode part, which is the zinc. So write zinc solid plus, we can't combine with a zinc solution. We combine with a certain solution which is opposite. In this case, to be the copper solution. Okay, so just get what is here, you add with what is here, because check, electrons will cancel with that one. In short, we're just adding these equations. So get this equation, add to this equation. You see that electrons will cancel because they are on opposite side of both equations. So you get this plus this on this side, giving me, what are we going to get? Well, we just get what is on the right side. So we're going to get the zinc 2 aqueous plus the copper solid. The electrons will go because they'll cancel each other. This is the overall cell reaction. Then D says explain the role of the salt bridge. Now let me come. This is a symbol for a salt bridge in the cell notation. Then the single line here represents the phase. All right. So it's like the difference in the phases. One can be solid, one can be aqueous, like that. So what is the function of the salt bridge? Now the salt bridge plays a lot of functions. Number one, it completes the electrical circuit. So number one, it completes the electrical circuit. The second is that it maintains electrical neutrality. It maintains electrical neutrality. What else? It prevents charge buildup. Okay, now got a number. It also allows ions to migrate between the half cells. It's also a function. To mention a few, I've only given you these. Now, if you're in first year and you're looking for a tutor to help you in chemistry or physics and mathematics, these foundation courses, I'm here. Okay, I'm here. Just inbox me on WhatsApp and we talk. Then we can start tutorials online. Thank you.